In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator on Asana. This is a simple process that ensures all your team members are kept in the loop and can collaborate effectively on projects. Let's get started by opening up Asana. You'll want to navigate to the login page. Here you'll see a space to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email, making sure that every character is correct. Once you've done that, click on the continue button. This will prompt you to input your password. Enter your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos to avoid any access issues. Now that you're logged into your Asana account, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, locate and click on the project you want to add collaborators to. This will open up a comprehensive view of your project. Within this project, click on the specific task where you want to add a collaborator. This step is crucial because adding a collaborator at the task level ensures they are updated and involved in the progress of that specific task. Scroll down to the bottom of the task details section where you'll find the collaborators area. This section lists all the current collaborators. To add a new collaborator, simply click on the plus icon. A new field will appear. Start typing the name of the person you wish to add. If the person is already part of your organization's Asana space, their name should pop up automatically. Select their name from the list to add them. Another way you can add collaborators is by using the @mention feature. This is particularly useful in the comment section or within the task description. Simply type the symbol and begin entering the name or email address of the person you wish to add. As you type, suggestions will appear, and you can select the correct name to add them as a collaborator. Additionally, when you're creating a new task, you can add collaborators right from the start. During the task creation process, look out for the collaborators field and include the people you need involved by following the same steps, either by typing their name directly into the collaborators field or using the @mention feature in the description or comments. This process of adding collaborators is essential in maintaining an organized workflow and ensuring that all involved parties can contribute effectively to the task at hand. Now that you've mastered this, you can easily keep your entire team informed on all parts of your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy collaborating!